Yeah, okay. Well, we touched on eBay last week and the fact that they were going to be splitting out PayPal amongst other things. PayPal traded yesterday independently for the first time. It was trading up this morning pre-market around $41.50, I should say, up about 2.67%, even after a good day yesterday. And the reason is simply this, that 4 brokers have taken the opportunity to publish their initial notes on the company after it's split from eBay. They're all bullish. There was one dissenting voice, but the bulls have outweighed the bears here. Most of the bulls are looking for a $45 target price, and the market seems to like what it sees. And then the other name that caught my eye today is one we've also mentioned in the past, a company called TubeMogul. That's ticker TUBE in the US. $16.48 pre-market, up around 3.8%. And if you don't remember, these guys are sort of one of these modern e-marketing and media marketing groups. US broker flagged the upside potential in TubeMogul because of a new service that GoPro has launched. It's a premium content licensing portal full of young people doing exciting things in dangerous sports, etc., wearing the GoPro cameras, and that's exactly the kind of thing that TubeMogul, if I can even say that, will be able to exploit and make money out of. So there's lots of potential and excitement there, and that's why they're up 3.8%. So
a couple of good opportunities there on tap on the stocks front and on the major markets.
Very quiet. We talked about a 9-day winning streak for European markets yesterday, which they actually did just about achieve. But it's as you were really, sort of a day for a bit of consolidation. So FTSE, we're now looking for 67.70, plays 68.20. Really looking for a directional cues again. A similar story to some extent with the DAX, where we're now looking at 11,710 on the downside, plays 11,775 to the upside. Very uncertain and what I might call faltering candles in both the S&P and the Dow last night. So we now look at 21.19 on the downside, and the S&P plays 21.34, just raised the upper level slightly there to take account of the range yesterday. And the Dow 18,050 now, the downside level, plays 18,131 to the upside. But again, both of those really trying to decide which way they wanted to move. Euro dollar 108.10 on the downside, plays 108.70 to the upside. I think the important level really today to watch is the close. Can it close above 108.60? But I know it's tested to this 108.70 level and may even have traded briefly above it since we came on air. Aussie dollar, US dollar, 73.40 on the downside, 73.96 to the upside. The bid appears, the bid for the Aussie dollar just appears to have disappeared now. It's just looking for catalysts in either direction, I think. Dollar yen, 123.90 on the downside, plays 124.45 to the upside. I think the risk is to the upside, and perhaps we might see them get back to, I think, June 5th highs. But watch this space. And then cable, 155.30 on the downside, 155.87. All gone a little bit quiet as far as
quite narrow. Well, it wasn't that sort of volatile even before the Greeks.
No, but it's
now it's gone into summer mode. Really.
Yeah, any upward impetus appears to be on hold for the moment there.